This is the final video to fix the Suyu Android black screen when launching games. And if your games won't start, this video will solve it. Are you facing the problem where Suyu Android opens but only shows a black screen when you try to launch any game, even though your device meets the requirements? This usually happens because of outdated graphics drivers, corrupted emulator files, or incompatible settings that block the game from rendering. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are complicated, confusing, and hard to follow, and they often fail. That is why Rex is sharing a secret easy trick that quickly fixes the black screen issue and makes Suyu Android launch games properly. This simple method works fast, stays safe, and ensures you can play your games without errors or crashes. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix Suyu Android black screen when launching games, comment.